Question 10. Can you unjumble these words to make a sentence? So this is where you have to think about sentence construction and where your subjects and your verbs go so that it makes grammatical sense. And also we do know, don't we, some information about Sally, for example, not going up the mountain with the other cows. So we can certainly try and make sense of this sentence based on the information that we've learnt from the passage. So we have go Sally other not up cows did the mountain with mountain the. Even I got myself confused there. So we know that cows with the full stop must be the last word, and other than Sally having a capital letter, there's no other word that has a capital letter, so therefore we know that Sally has to start the sentence because that's where the capital letter would be. So, and we know of course that she didn't go up the mountain. So we can say Sally, oops, sorry about that, Sally did not go up the mountain with the other cows, full stop. Okay? Slightly tricky, but just think about how you would say it and then you'll find it a lot easier. So let's have a look then at the next one. We know that school is going to be our final word because that's linked to the full stop. And once again, we don't have any other word other than Tom with a capital T, so we know that Tom is going to start. And again, we know from the information in the passage that he liked to hold the reins, okay? So Tom liked to hold the reins while riding to school. All right, so that's the best way to approach these type of questions. I'm now going to write out the sentences for you. So there we have it. Sally did not go up the mountain with the other cows, and Tom liked to hold the reins while riding to school. And when you write those out, if you're doing a question like this, do what I did, cross out each word as you use it so you know that you've used all the words.